Every morning after 60, your eyes are fighting a battle you can't see. By the time blurry vision, dry eyes, and nighttime glare appear, much of your natural eye protection may already be gone. But researchers have discovered that one tiny seed found in almost every grocery store contains nutrients your aging eyes may desperately need. And chances are you've been eating it the wrong way for years. Before we reveal this powerful little seed, take a moment to subscribe to Sage Health for more simple science-backed ways to protect your health as you age. And stay with us because the way you eat this seed may make all the difference. After 60, your lens loses its primary antioxidant defense at roughly 8% every single year. 8%. The compound responsible for this is called glutathione, and most people have never heard of it despite the fact that it is one of the most important protective molecules in your entire eye. Without enough glutathione, your lens becomes more vulnerable. The proteins inside can begin to clump together, become cloudy, and make it harder for your eyes to focus clearly on the world around you. This is not just about needing stronger glasses. This is a deeper change happening inside your eyes. It is something your optometrist may be able to see, but often does not explain in a way that gives you clear steps you can take. And here is what concerns me the most: lipid peroxidation. Tiny invisible chain reactions of cellular damage that can spread through your lens tissue over time. You cannot feel them, you cannot see them, but they can continue happening day after day. Your doctor may tell you to wear sunglasses, eat more carrots, or take a multivitamin, and those habits can support your overall eye health, but they may not address the deeper nutritional factors involved in protecting your eye tissues. Your lens depends on maintaining healthy antioxidant defenses, including glutathione, and many people never understand how important that connection is. Here is what changed my thinking after 20 years in ophthalmology. This decline is not something you should simply accept as unavoidable. It is not only about genetics or getting older. Nutrition plays an important role, and certain foods contain compounds that may help support your body's natural defense systems. Specific seeds contain antioxidants and nutrients that have been studied for their role in protecting cells from oxidative stress. Your body uses these compounds as part of its own natural processes to maintain healthier tissues, including the delicate structures inside your eyes. And when your eyes receive better nutritional support, your lens may become better equipped to handle the daily damage caused by oxidative stress. One important process involves protecting the crystalline proteins inside your lens. These proteins help keep your lens clear and allow light to pass through properly. Think of it like maintaining a windshield before it becomes too cloudy to see through. When your eyes have the nutrients they need, issues like dryness, irritation, and nighttime glare may become easier to manage. But not all seeds are equal. Some provide only modest benefits. Some can be helpful, but only when prepared correctly. And a few contain powerful combinations of nutrients that make them worth paying attention to. After reviewing the research, here is the ranking of 6 common seeds that may support healthier eyes. Starting at the bottom, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds appear on many eye health food lists, and there is a reason. They contain zinc, copper, and vitamin E. These are nutrients your eyes genuinely need. However, when it comes to supporting the lens specifically, their effects appear to be more limited compared with other seeds. Some research has found improvements in antioxidant markers after sesame seed consumption, but the changes are relatively small. It is not a complete transformation. It is more like adding a small layer of protection against a much bigger challenge. And here's the problem many people do not know about. Sesame seeds contain phytic acid, a natural compound that can interfere with the absorption of minerals like zinc. That means you may not absorb as much of the nutrients as you expect. The solution is simple. Dry roast your sesame seeds in a pan for about 3 minutes before eating them. The heat can help reduce phytic acid and make some of the minerals more available. A small handful each day is affordable and easy to add to your diet. But do not expect sesame seeds alone to completely change your vision. They are a foundation, not the final answer. Score 3 out of 10. Helpful, but limited. Next are soaked pumpkin seeds with lemon. Many health videos make pumpkin seeds sound like a miracle food for your eyes, and while some claims are exaggerated, pumpkin seeds do contain valuable nutrients. They provide lutein, zeaxanthin, and one of the higher amounts of zinc found in common seeds. These are nutrients associated with eye health. However, when it comes to supporting the lens specifically, their effects may be more modest compared with the seeds we will discuss later. Consistency is important. Your body does not store many of these nutrients for long periods, so eating them regularly matters. And here is what many people get wrong about pumpkin seeds. Most people simply open the bag and eat them, raw, roasted, whatever form they purchased. But seeds can contain phytic acid, which may reduce mineral absorption. You may think you are getting all the zinc and nutrients listed on the package, but your body may not absorb everything. The solution is soaking. Place your pumpkin seeds in water with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice overnight. Let them soak for at least 8 hours. The acidity from the lemon can help break down phytic acid and release some of the minerals trapped inside. After soaking, drain them and dry them at a low temperature. The vitamin C from the lemon may also help support mineral absorption. Even when prepared correctly, pumpkin seeds work gradually. They are better suited for general eye maintenance than rapid changes. Score 4 out of 10. Useful, but slow. Now we are getting somewhere. Hemp seeds. This is one that many people overlook. While everyone talks about flax seeds and chia seeds, hemp seeds quietly provide one of the most balanced nutritional profiles among common seeds found in grocery stores. Your retina is made of delicate nerve tissue that depends on healthy fats to function properly. The balance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids matters. When the balance becomes too heavily weighted toward omega-6, which is common in many modern diets, inflammation can increase, cell membranes become weaker, and vision can gradually decline in ways that may look like normal aging even when chronic inflammation is involved. Hemp seeds naturally provide a balanced omega fatty acid profile. Research has shown that regular hemp seed consumption may support healthier inflammatory markers in the body. Some people report less dryness and clearer morning vision after adding hemp seeds consistently. And unlike flax or chia seeds, hemp seeds do not need to be ground. There is no soaking process required. Simply add 2 tablespoons to yogurt or blend them into a smoothie. They have a mild, slightly nutty flavor that many people enjoy. One important caution. If you take blood thinners, such as warfarin talk with your doctor before making significant changes to your diet. But for many adults, over 60 hemp seeds are one of the easiest and most practical additions you can make. Score 8 out of 10, powerful, affordable, and easy to use. Chia seeds became extremely popular years ago. Many of the claims surrounding them were exaggerated. Weight loss miracles, unlimited energy, the ultimate superfood. But when it comes to supporting your eyes, chia seeds have real nutritional value. The reason is fascinating. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. When you eat ground chia seeds, your body can convert some of these omega-3 fats into DHA. And DHA is an important structural component of your retina. It is not just a small supporting nutrient. It is one of the building blocks your eyes rely on. But there is one important mistake many people make. If you eat chia seeds whole, they can pass through your digestive system without being fully broken down. That means you may receive far less nutritional benefit. You need to grind them first. A coffee grinder for about 10 seconds is enough. That small step can make the difference between simply eating chia seeds and allowing your body to access more of their nutrients. DHA is also fat-soluble, which means it absorbs better when consumed with healthy fat. Adding ground chia seeds with a small amount of coconut oil can help improve the way your body absorbs these beneficial compounds. Research has found that chia seeds combined with a fat source may support tear film stability. That means less dryness, less irritation, and less of that uncomfortable, scratchy feeling many people notice when they wake up. For dry eye support, some people notice changes within a shorter period of time, but deeper changes in eye health require patience and consistency. Be realistic about the timeline. Score 8.5 out of 10. Extremely effective, but it requires daily preparation. Now, seed number 2, ground flax seeds with avocado. Ground flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid omega-3 fatty acids. A small amount of properly ground flax seeds can provide a significant amount of omega-3. Chia seeds provide a similar benefit, while hemp seeds offer a different but valuable balance of healthy fats. But when you combine ground flax seeds with avocado, something interesting happens. The healthy monounsaturated fat in avocado may help improve the absorption of flaxseed nutrients. This can transform a simple nutritional choice into a more powerful combination that supports eye health, and it is available at almost any grocery store for just a small cost per day. Some studies have shown that people consuming ground flax seeds regularly with healthy fats experience improvements in tear production and reductions in oxidative stress markers. Many people notice less dryness within weeks. Over time, some may experience improved comfort with reading and reduced sensitivity to glare. But preparation matters. Grind 2 tablespoons of whole flax seeds in a coffee grinder right before eating them. This step is important. Pre-ground flax seeds can lose some of their omega-3 quality over time because these fats are sensitive to oxidation. You do not want to pay for the appearance of nutrition while losing the actual benefits. Grind them fresh. Then spread them over half an avocado. Eat the combination shortly after preparing it. The reason this is not number one is not because it lacks power. It is because it requires commitment. You need a grinder, you need fresh avocado, and you need to stay consistent every day. Many people start strong and stop after a couple of weeks, but those who continue may experience meaningful improvements in their daily eye comfort. Score 9 out of 10. Extremely powerful, but it requires daily dedication. Now here it is. The number one seed combination for eye support: raw sunflower seeds with avocado and lemon. This combination stands out because it brings together 3 important nutritional components that work in different ways. The reason it is so powerful comes down to a 3-part mechanism. Sunflower seeds contain a high amount of vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for protecting your cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin E helps defend your lens against the damage caused by free radicals and everyday environmental stress. But preparation is everything. Vitamin E is fat-soluble. Without healthy fat present, your body may not absorb and use it as effectively. That is where avocado comes in. The healthy fats in avocado help your body absorb vitamin E and deliver more of it where it is needed. The vitamin E is not just consumed, it is absorbed more efficiently. And then there is the lemon. This is the part many people find surprising. Fresh lemon provides vitamin C, another important antioxidant. Vitamin C can help recycle and support vitamin E after it has been used to fight oxidative stress. Instead of simply adding one antioxidant, this combination creates a system where these nutrients support each other. That is why this combination stands out among the seeds discussed in this video. Research has explored the relationship between vitamin E, antioxidants, and eye health, including their role in supporting healthy aging and reducing oxidative stress. People often report feeling less eye fatigue, improved comfort, and less difficulty with everyday tasks like reading labels or looking at screens. However, remember that nutrition supports your eyes over time. It is not a replacement for medical treatment or professional eye care. The exact daily combination is simple. 1 ounce of raw, unsalted sunflower seeds, a quarter of a ripe avocado, and the juice of half a fresh lemon squeezed over everything. Eat them together in the morning. The word "together" matters. The healthy fat from the avocado and the vitamin C from the lemon are part of what makes this combination work. Buying the right sunflower seeds also matters. Choose raw, unsalted, shelled sunflower seeds. Look for a label with one simple ingredient. If there are many added ingredients, it is not the best choice. Score 10 out of 10. A simple, affordable, and practical option for supporting healthy eyes. Now here is your complete daily eye support protocol. Every morning, start with your foundation. 1 ounce of raw, unsalted sunflower seeds, combined with a quarter of an avocado and half a lemon. Eat them together. This is the core of the routine. In the afternoon, you can add 2 tablespoons of either hemp seeds or freshly ground chia seeds with a teaspoon of coconut oil. Choose one and stay consistent. 3 to 4 mornings each week, add 2 tablespoons of freshly ground whole flax seeds spread over half an avocado. Here is what a realistic timeline may look like. After a few days, your eyes may feel less dry when you wake up. After about 1 week morning, blurriness may begin to feel less noticeable. After 2 weeks, everyday tasks like reading labels or looking at your phone may feel easier. After 1 month, some people may notice they are squinting less and holding reading material at a more comfortable distance. And after several months of consistent healthy habits, your eye doctor can evaluate your eye health through professional testing. I have seen many people make positive changes by improving their nutrition and daily habits. One person told me she no longer relied as heavily on artificial tears at night after years of dealing with dry eyes. Another person shared that nighttime driving became more comfortable after making healthier lifestyle changes. That is not a miracle. That is your body responding when it receives the nutrients and support it needs. Now let's talk about the mistakes that can reduce the benefits of this routine. First, do not save your seeds for late at night. Morning is often the easiest time to build a consistent habit and pair these foods with your daily routine. Second, be mindful of what you drink around the time you eat your seeds. Certain compounds in coffee and tea can interact with some nutrients, potentially reducing absorption. You do not want to create a healthy routine and accidentally make it less effective. Third, do not expect major changes overnight and give up too soon. Some people may notice improvements in comfort quickly, especially with dryness. But supporting long-term eye health takes consistency. Your body needs time. Do not stop any prescribed eye medications or treatments without speaking with your healthcare provider first. This type of nutritional approach should support your existing eye care, not replace professional medical advice. And always read the ingredient label. Avoid flavored honey roasted or heavily seasoned seeds. Extra ingredients can change the nutritional value and may interfere with your goals. The best choice is simple. The ingredient list should be the seed itself. One ingredient, nothing complicated. These small details matter because the healthiest habits only work when you can maintain them correctly over time. Let me close with something important I tell anyone who feels frustrated because their vision is changing as they get older. Your eyes are not simply a lost cause. Aging does not mean you should stop caring for your vision. Your body depends on the nutrients you provide every single day. And many traditional diets included foods like seeds, nuts, fruits, and vegetables naturally. Our ancestors used foods like flax seeds, sunflower seeds, hemp, and chia as part of everyday meals. Today, many people have moved away from these simple foods. And then we wonder why maintaining good health becomes more difficult as we age. The solution is not perfection. It is making better choices consistently. Here is my challenge for you. Try the sunflower seed, avocado, and lemon combination every morning for the next 30 days. Before you begin, write down the eye concerns you notice right now. Maybe it is morning blur, maybe it is nighttime glare, maybe it is dry eyes before noon, maybe it is struggling with small print. Rate each one from 1 to 10, then check again after 30 days. Compare your results. Notice what has changed. This is not about a quick fix. It is about giving your body better nutritional support and seeing how it responds. But you have to stay consistent. Your vision needs care every day. Start tomorrow morning. 1 ounce of raw sunflower seeds, 1/4 of an avocado, half a lemon, every morning for 30 days. Your eyes need the right support. Give your body the nutrients it needs and let your biology do the rest. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to Sage Health for more simple, science-backed health tips for healthy aging. And let us know in the comments, have you ever tried sunflower seeds, chia seeds, or flax seeds before? We would love to hear your experience.